Well, idlis is a favorite breakfast item of all of us, and when we have leftover idlis, there are so many recipes that we do. Well, today I thought why not make Podi Idli Fry for all of you. So quickly let's get started. So to make Podi Idli Fry, we've got some leftover idlis which we've got to chop first and try and cut them into smaller pieces, because later on when you fry it in a pan, the edges go crisp and it tastes really nice. Another very common leftover item that we keep doing or keep experimenting at home is with rice. So idli also is equally good. Rice roti is a regular feature, and idli also. So here we've got the idli which we've chopped up. So what we'll do is we'll start off with some butter. The butter, as you can see in the pan, has melted. And now into this, let's add some curry leaves, crushed coriander seed, little bit, along with some urad dal, some chana dal, got some sesame seeds as well, some red chilli flakes and some green chillies. We need to saute this up well till it all changes color. And now to this, let's add some onions. I've got some nicely sliced onions. Saute this up. Well, the onions have also started to go a little pink, and I think this is the right time to add in the idlis. So here goes in the idli. We want to add some podi. You can hear the dal absolutely crisp dancing in the pan as we toss. So that is how the dal should be. So crisp. Soft idlis and spicy masala. Switch off the flame, serve it right away, because this is something that you will really enjoy while it is hot. So now you know what to do with your leftover idlis. Do try this recipe of idli podi fry because it is yummy and exciting.